Hi everyone. So we're here today in Daoyunho, is the city that we're in, and we're here with our friend Zhang Lao, and this is his restaurant. And this amazing food is what you created. And from what I understand, you're really good at this.
Welcome to Ningxia. It's a sheep's hoof. This is lamb head. This is spicy lamb head. This is haggis. And it's amazing when you eat it with the bread. We washed and cooked this haggis ourselves. Very distinctive. We have been in Daoyunho for more than 30 years and have been selected as a golden restaurant.
So what is in your famous soup?
Look inside the haggis soup. There is stomach and intestines. Look, this is liver. Did you see it? This is sheep's head and this is heart and stomach. I also have lamb head meat in there. Eating the bread with all these things is amazing.
So I have to tell you that I actually had the opportunity to try this and this together. They are amazing. My family brought me here and they wanted me to try, and I'm so happy that they did because this was actually an amazing lunch. To purchase a big bowl like this with enough bread for 6 people, 6 bowls of soup, enough bread for 6 people, costs $20. So if you're ever in the area, stop in.
Yes, welcome to Ningxia. And I welcome all of your viewers too. Come try the haggis soup at Zhang Lao. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.